Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to take an at-home genetic test with MaxGen Labs. This is super simple, super easy. First, I'm going to show you everything that is in our kit that you are going to receive in the mail. First are these two sheets of paper. This paper right here, you'll be returning with your sample, and this one is going to be for you to keep for your records. The next item in the kit is going to be the swab that you're going to use to take your test with, and then this little bubble wrapped envelope with a blue plastic baggie. Inside the blue plastic baggie is going to be where you're going to put your sample. And the last thing that is going to be in your kit is the shipping label, so you can return it to us and we can take your sample for you. So I'm going to show you how to take this test. We're going to start this test by filling out the forms. The first form you're going to fill out is the one that you are going to send with your test. It is super important that you fill out this yellow box. The vial number is going to be on your vial right here. So once you get that filled out, it's just for tracking and to make sure that everything is going to be processed okay. And then on this form that you keep for yourself, you're also just gonna have it for your records as well. Okay, so now we're gonna actually take our test. What I'm gonna do is open the vial and place it on the counter in a space that it won't get knocked over. And now is for the fun part with the swab. Before taking this test, make sure you haven't eaten or drinking anything for about an hour. And make sure you swish your mouth out with water before taking this sample. So now we're gonna open the swab, and we're gonna take the swab and rub it on our cheek for about 20 to 30 times. So now that I finished swabbing my mouth, I'm gonna place the swab into the vial and snap it in, and now close my vial up. Now we're gonna put everything back into the kit so it's ready to get sent off. So we're gonna take this vial, put it back into the blue baggie, zip it up, take the blue baggie and put it into the bubble wrapped baggie. We are going to also take our sheet of paper, again, make sure that the vial number is filled out on this yellow box. It is super, super important. We're gonna now place both of these items back into the envelope, right into here, and then this one sealed into the envelope. And now we're gonna seal this envelope shut, close it up. You are going to put your shipping label on the back of the envelope. Make sure that you write your own return address on here, and then all you gotta do is just drop it off at the post office and get ready to get your sample soon.